Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Techful Gadgets. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge cleaning technology. We'll explore 3 incredible vacuum cleaners that are changing the game: the Tineco Pure One S11, the Dyson V15 Detect, and the Samsung Jet 90. Each of these devices brings something unique to the table, from smart dust detection to adjustable power settings and even multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Make sure you stay tuned to see how these vacuums can make your cleaning routine not just easier, but more effective. Don't forget to subscribe to Techful Gadgets and hit that like button if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Samsung Jet 90. This powerful cordless vacuum cleaner is designed to handle just about any mess, and it's packed with features that make cleaning a breeze. First off, let's talk power. The Samsung Jet 90 offers up to 200 watts of suction power. Whether it's hardwood floors or carpet, this vacuum doesn't just clean your floors, it deep cleans, thanks to the included turbo action brush for tough surfaces and carpets, and the soft action brush for hard floors. But power is nothing without flexibility, right? This vacuum has an adjustable tube height for more comfort while cleaning, making it easy to reach those tricky spots without straining your back. And it's lightweight, which means you can zoom around your home without feeling like you've run a marathon. One of the coolest features has to be the interchangeable 21.9V Li-ion battery. You can clean for up to an hour on a single charge, and when you're done, just pop the battery into the Z Station, a freestanding charging station that can hold 2 batteries. That means you can always have a spare ready to go. Worried about allergies or just want a fresher home? The Samsung Jet 90 has got you covered with its multi-stage filtration system, which filters the air and traps dust particles, ensuring cleaner exhaust air. Plus, the filter and dustbin are washable, making maintenance a piece of cake. So if you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, flexibility, and intelligent design, the Samsung Jet 90 might be the perfect fit for your home. It's a powerhouse that's ready to tackle any cleaning challenge. Tineco Pure One S11 Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just any vacuum, it's a game changer for your cleaning routine. And here's why. First off, the Pure One S11 features the innovative iLoop TM Smart Sensor technology. This clever tech automatically detects hidden dust and debris and adjusts the suction power in real time. What does this mean for you? Well, it's not just about cleaning, it's about cleaning smarter. You get up to twice the battery life per charge, ensuring you can finish your entire cleaning session without a hitch. Now let's talk about power. 130 watts of it, to be precise. This high-performance digital motor is ultra-quiet, so you can clean without waking the baby or startling your pets. It's all about powerful suction that doesn't intrude on your daily life. Worried about runtime? Don't be. The Pure One S11 offers up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, making it perfect for tackling your whole home in a single go. And the best part, it's cordless and lightweight, effortlessly transforming into a handheld vacuum. This versatility means you can clean stairs, cars, furniture, and more with ease. Lastly, the integrated color LED display and the connected Tineco app are just icing on the cake. These features allow you to monitor cleaning progress, check battery levels, and even track suction performance for a truly intelligent cleaning experience. So if you're looking for a vacuum that does more than just clean, the Tineco Pure One S11 is the way to go. It's smart, powerful, and versatile. Everything you need to keep your home spotless. Dyson V15 Detect. This vacuum isn't just about keeping your floors clean. It's about transforming the way you tackle dirt and debris, even the stuff you can't see. The Dyson V15 Detect is a marvel of modern technology and design, engineered for deep cleaning across your entire home. It comes packed with a slew of futuristic features, like the tangle-free technology and an LED light on the fluffy optic cleaner head that illuminates hidden dust, making sure no speck is left behind. What really sets this vacuum apart is its smart performance. It automatically adjusts suction power and runtime based on the type of floor and the amount of dust detected. Yes, it can actually detect and react to your cleaning environment. This means optimal cleaning without wasting battery life. Speaking of versatility, the V15 Detect isn't just a stick vacuum. It converts effortlessly into a handheld unit perfect for getting those hard-to-reach spots like stairs, sofas, and even car interiors. Plus, everything you pick up is displayed on a high-tech LCD screen, so you can see the results of your cleaning in real time. You also get a variety of tools, including a digital motor bar cleaner head with an anti-tangle comb and a docking station to neatly store and charge your vacuum, ensuring it's ready whenever you need it. The vacuum features 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost, adapting to any cleaning task at hand. And let's talk about hygiene. The Dyson V15 Detect features advanced whole machine filtration, capturing 99.99% of microscopic dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to seriously reduce household dust and allergens. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, lightweight design, and a comprehensive set of tools, the Dyson V15 Detect is ready to handle any cleaning challenge.